Today, Cyber Tuesday deals because retailers are desperate. Hi, I'm the YouTube deal guy, Matt Granite. Welcome back to your one-stop shop for daily savings. Got some great deals, which I'm of course going to be giving away right here, free to subscribers. Before we get to these deals, if you're wondering what is Cyber Tuesday, well, retailers are still desperate to grab your attention, so I have found some amazing deals on high-quality products. We're going to get to those in a moment, but that's why this week is being billed as Cyber Week. It was the same thing we saw with Black Friday, a lot of stores extending it and starting it early. Anyhow, what you need to know is all of your big deals are located right under this video window. I don't make a dime. This is a good one to give away. First, as I mentioned, click that subscribe button and I will hook you up with the biggest freebies as well as your huge daily savings. And now for the deals. Let's start with Becky Cameron bed sheets, 2 free pillowcases. Awesomely well rated on Amazon. In fact, I've actually used these and tried them. Welcome to my bed, and right under the duvet here, as I lift it, you can see the sheets. Virtually wrinkle-free, considering I've done a lousy job making my bed. They are soft and wonderful. So that's my bed. These are the sheets. Really cool greeting card sets. These store up to 50 digital photos, 75% off. $6 with free shipping. The link to grab this right under this video screen. And my favorite home networked wireless speaker system, also more than 70% off today, under 90 bucks. Works really well with free shipping, so you can stream your music from one speaker to another throughout your home with this kit. Another leftover Cyber Monday deal are these really cool NFL helmet infrared heaters. This will take more than 2 minutes to explain, show you how it works and how quiet it is. So if you don't mind bearing with me, I will feature this in my next video. I'll give you the full demo on the test. We're still running these through a few more tests. As always, I appreciate you more than you will ever know. I love you. Thank you for being here. You're the reason I have a job. For free stuff, click the subscribe button you see on your screen right now. You'll be signed up for that and all of my biggest daily deals. To turn on your alerts, you're going to see a wheel beside the subscribe button. On a mobile device, it looks like this. Click the box to turn on your channel alerts. That will ensure you're emailed every time I upload a huge deal. And remember, if you want to buy any item I feature, there's a link right under this video window. Click the Show More tab, and every link I have for every deal is right there. There you go. You are awesome. Thank you so much for watching.